Hi there. Hopefully you did well on your map test today. Sorry I can't be there for class, but I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do today. So just listen closely. First and foremost, you're going to fill out a vocabulary sheet. Just like this one. Okay, we've done this before. Reminder here on this, you need your own definition, your own words, characteristics, as many as you can list, 3 examples and 3 non-examples. And then you're going to fill it out for the word probability. Okay? So as a group, you can do that. Group of 3 or possibly a group of 2, depends on who you're sitting with. If you happen to be sitting by yourself, ask the sub, and I'm sure she will let you join another group of 2 or 3. Okay? Then, after you're done with that, we're going to do the data collection of the probability activity that you see right here. Okay, we're not going to answer the questions yet. So everything you see there that says you roll an odd number, you roll a number greater than or equal to 10, you roll a number less than or equal to 10, all those things, just ignore those. Okay, but you are going to roll the dice. Let me read the instructions for you just in case you can't read. Your group must first roll the dice of a total of 60 times. Every group member must roll it in increments of 10 rolls at a time and then pass the die. Okay, so you have this nice little container with dice in it. You're going to take one, only one. You only need one per group. Okay, I'm going to pick a nice little blue one. Okay, so what I would do is then roll it 10 times. So I'll just roll it once. Let me kind of move the camera down here. Okay, I rolled a 13. So I'd say 13 to my group, and then everybody would, on the paper here, would check mark 13. Okay, and then I roll it twice. 14. So everyone would check mark 14. I don't know if you can see anything here. 8. Everyone would check mark 8. 7. Everyone checks mark 7. Okay, I keep doing that until I've rolled it a total of 10 times, and then I pass it to the next person. Okay, so let's do the math here. Okay, if you're rolling it 60 times as a group, and there are 3 people at your group, okay, how many times will each person roll it? 20. Okay, so you'll take 2 turns rolling it 10 times. The hardest part about this is keeping track of your numbers. Make sure you keep track of your numbers as you're doing this, okay? Don't get caught off guard. Don't be looking at the ceiling, thinking about lunch, which you already had because I'm already gone. But don't do that. Make sure you're paying attention and going through this because you don't want to get done and someone has 58 rolls and someone has 62. Okay, you want to roll it 60 total times as a group. So pay close attention. Okay, after you've done that, hold off on the questions. We'll kind of do those as a group tomorrow. Okay, but then on the back, you're going to go to the part that says you flip a heads, you flip a tails. Okay, and there's a probability with a penny. Okay. And the other container, which I have placed over here. Okay, in this container, there's pennies. Okay, this one's done more individually. Okay, you will all flip a penny. Okay, and you will all flip it a total of 20 times. Okay, obviously you have your chart here. You flip a heads, you check mark heads. You flip a tails, you check mark tails. Okay, pretty simple with that, right? After you've done that, you go ahead and don't answer the questions again. We'll go through that later. But there's a little QR code right there at the bottom. Okay, you're going to scan that and you're going to fill out that form that is basically collecting your data so we can look at the data as a big class tomorrow in class 2 if we have time. Okay, obviously if you finish a little bit early, okay, you have your POP speech to work on, your AR book, you have your Kin puzzles from earlier last semester. Okay, you have a lot of things you could be doing with the extra time that you have. But quite honestly, by the time you get done with all that stuff, it probably will be the end of class. You might not finish. But we'll find out, I guess, okay? Be your best. Good luck today. Like I said, hopefully you did well on your map test and you feel confident with what you put forth with your efforts. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.